Want to ace your driving test the easy way? Master these 40 must-know road signs and succeed effortlessly. Let's dive in. Which road sign is this? A. Traffic signal ahead. B. Standard traffic light. C. Wig-wag signal. The answer is B. Standard traffic light. Identify this traffic sign. A. Motor vehicles except motorcycles. B. Solo motorcycles prohibited. C. Motor vehicles prohibited. The answer is A. Motor vehicles except motorcycles. Guess this road sign. A. Flagger ahead. B. Construction ahead. C. Roadworks. The answer is C. Roadworks. What does this road sign indicate? A. Pedestrians ahead. B. Children going to school. C. Begin of a pedestrian zone. The answer is A. Pedestrians ahead. Spot the sign shown here. A. Uneven road. B. Loose chippings. C. Grit gravel on the road. The answer is B. Loose chippings. Name this traffic sign. A. Dead end. B. End of road. C. No through road. The answer is C. No through road. Which sign is shown? A. Frail pedestrians likely to cross. B. Pedestrians ahead. C. Children going to school. The answer is A. Frail pedestrians likely to cross. Identify this road sign. A. Cattle. B. Sheep. C. Wild animals. The answer is B. Sheep. Guess this traffic sign. A. Wild animals. B. Deer crossing. C. Small wild animals. The answer is A. Wild animals. Which road sign is this? A. Wild horses. B. Horse-drawn vehicles. C. Ridden horses prohibited. The answer is A. Wild horses. Identify this road sign. A. Soft verges. B. Quayside or riverbank. C. Watercourse alongside. Dangerous times, don't fly too high. The answer is B. Quayside or riverbank. What is this traffic sign? A. Crossroads ahead. B. Staggered junction. C. T-junction. The answer is A. Crossroads. Spot this traffic sign. A. Sheep. B. Wild animals. C. Cattle. The answer is C. Cattle. Guess this road sign. A. Traffic merges from left. B. Additional traffic lane from left. C. Traffic merges onto main carriageway. The answer is C. Traffic merges onto main carriageway. Identify this traffic sign. A. Steep hill upwards ahead. B. Steep grade hill. C. Steep descent. The answer is A. Steep hill upwards ahead. What is this traffic sign? A. Staggered crossroads ahead. B. Side road ahead. C. Double side roads. The answer is A. Staggered crossroads ahead. Spot the sign shown here. A. Lanes bend ahead. B. Series of bends ahead. C. Double bend, first left. The answer is A. Lanes bend ahead. Identify this traffic sign. A. Crossroads ahead. B. Side road ahead. C. T-junction ahead. The answer is C. T-junction ahead. Which road sign is this? A. Tourist information. B. Steam railway tourist attraction. C. Information. The answer is A. Tourist information. Guess this traffic sign. A. Additional traffic lane from left. B. Traffic merges from the left. C. Traffic merges onto main carriageway. The answer is B. Traffic merges from the left. What is this road sign? A. T-junction ahead. B. Crossroad ahead. C. Side road ahead. The answer is C. Side road ahead. Identify this road sign. A. A traffic light for bicycles. B. Standard traffic light with supplement. C. Traffic signal ahead. The answer is A. A traffic light for bicycles. Guess this traffic sign. A. Steep hill upwards ahead. B. Steep hill downwards ahead. C. Steep grade hill percentage. The answer is B. Steep hill downwards ahead. Which road sign is shown? A. Standard traffic light. B. Light signals at crossing. C. Wigwag signal. The answer is C. Wigwag signal. Identify this traffic sign. A. Diversion for motorists. B. Diversion sign on minor roads. C. Emergency diversion route. The answer is A. Diversion for motorists. What is this road sign? A. Series of bends ahead. B. Junction on a bend. C. Double bend, first left. The answer is A. Series of bends ahead. Spot this road sign. A. Passenger ferry. B. Ferry. C. Vehicle ferry terminal. The answer is B. Ferry. Identify this traffic sign. A. Camping and caravan site. B. Trailer camping. C. Caravans. The answer is C. Caravans. Guess this road sign. A. Standard traffic light. B. Standard traffic light with supplement. C. Traffic signals ahead. The answer is B. Standard traffic light with supplement. Which road sign is this? A. Triangle diversion marker. B. Circle diversion marker. C. Hollow square diversion route marker. The answer is C. Hollow square diversion route marker. Identify this traffic sign. A. Picnic area 150 yards ahead. B. Camping and caravan site. C. Picnic area direction. The answer is A. Picnic area 150 yards ahead. Guess this traffic sign. A. Junction ahead from motorway slip. B. Junction ahead of a primary route. C. Junction on a bend. The answer is B. Junction ahead of a primary route. Name this road sign. A. Vehicles may pass either side. B. Bus lane with two-way traffic. C. Keep left. The answer is A. Vehicles may pass either side. Spot the sign shown here. A. Standard traffic light with supplement. B. Wigwag signal. C. Traffic light with tram signal. The answer is C. Traffic light with tram signal. Identify this traffic sign. A. Junction to a tourist attraction. B. Direction to tourist attraction. C. Tourist information. The answer is A. Junction to a tourist attraction. Which road sign is this? A. Picnic area 150 yards ahead. B. Camping and caravan site. C. Trailer camping. The answer is B. Camping and caravan site. Guess this traffic sign. A. Give priority to oncoming vehicles. B. Give way to traffic. C. Vehicles have right of way. The answer is C. Vehicles have right of way. What is this road sign? A. One-way traffic. B. Straight through only. C. No turns. The answer is A. One-way traffic. Identify this traffic sign. A. Diversion route triangle. B. Emergency diversion route. C. Diversion marker circle. The answer is B. Emergency diversion route. Guess this road sign. A. Direction to tourist attraction. B. Tourist information. C. Distance to tourist information point. The answer is C. Distance to tourist information point. And that brings us to the end of today's video. If you want to keep boosting your chances of passing your driving test, subscribe now for more driving study guides. Tap on one of the videos on your screen to keep learning. Keep practicing, and we'll see you in the next video.